Are you tired of bulky dryers taking up space and running up your electric bill? Well, today we're counting down the top 5 best outdoor umbrella drying racks that will save you money, give your laundry that fresh outdoor scent, and keep your backyard looking neat and organized. Whether you're searching for a heavy-duty clothesline, a foldable umbrella dryer, or a space-saving solution, I've got you covered. Stick around till the end to see my number 1 pick. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Number 1, Brabantcha Liftomatic Rotary Dryer, Best Heavy-Duty Outdoor Umbrella Rack. The Brabantcha Liftomatic Rotary Dryer is a customer favorite, built with strong, weather-resistant materials. With 164 feet of drying space and adjustable height settings, it's perfect for large families. Its smooth rotating arms mean you can stand in one spot while hanging clothes, super convenient. If you need durability and ease of use, this is one of the best choices out there. Number 2, Household Essentials Outdoor Umbrella Clothesline, Best Space-Saving Design. Next is the Household Essentials Umbrella Clothesline, offering 165 feet of drying space while folding down compactly when not in use. The galvanized steel construction makes it strong and weather-resistant. If you want a sturdy rack that doesn't take over your backyard, this is a smart pick. Number 3, Minky Outdoor Umbrella Clothes Dryer, Best Easy-to-Use Option. The Minky Outdoor Umbrella Clothes Dryer provides 147 feet of drying line and features an easy-open umbrella system. It's lightweight, quick to set up, and ideal for smaller yards or anyone who wants a hassle-free drying solution. This one's all about simplicity and convenience. Number 4, Lifeheight Line-O-Matic 400 Deluxe, Best Premium Rotary Dryer with Retractable Lines. The Lifeheight Line-O-Matic 400 Deluxe is a premium choice with 131 feet of drying space. Its standout feature is that the lines automatically retract into the arms when closed, keeping them clean and tangle-free. With German engineering and long-lasting durability, this is perfect for anyone who wants innovation and hygiene in their clothesline. Number 5, Greenway Outdoor Rotary Dryer, Best Eco-Friendly Drying Solution. Last but not least, the Greenway Outdoor Rotary Dryer provides 147 feet of drying line and includes a weather-resistant cover for protection. It's foldable, compact, and budget-friendly. If you're eco-conscious and looking for a sustainable drying option, Greenway is an excellent pick. So there you have it, my top 5 picks for the best outdoor umbrella drying racks. From the heavy-duty Brabantcha to the eco-friendly Greenway, there's something here for every home and every budget. Check the links in the description to grab yours today, and start saving money while giving your laundry that fresh outdoor smell. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart home and lifestyle product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.